Hey everyone, this is PJ. Today we are going to discuss the basic things we can do in Excel. So this is the Microsoft Excel. So I'll start with a blank workbook. Just ignore the tab. So here, this is the worksheet. The Excel worksheet. Basically, Excel works on the principle of matrix. It has rows and columns. So all the alphabetic number A B C D E F that represents the column. So A B C D, that's all the columns, and the rows are represented by the numeric number 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, that's the one. And one more thing, all the cells, the small column, the small box, it is known as the cell in Excel. So individual cells has their unique number. So even like it's a million of millions of cells, it has a unique number. So look at this one. This is B3. We can see here the cell number, cell name or number, what you can say. So B3. So the B is a column name and the 3 is a row. So it's the combination of column and row. Oh, good. So that's the basic in Excel. We have a different tab in the Excel: Home tab, Insert, Draw, and lots of things. Individual tab has different like functionality. Like for the Home tab, it has like formatting and the conditional formatting and kind of things. So today, I'll basically talk about the Home tab, and we'll going to make one small table so you guys can familiar with the like basic things in the Excel. So to making the table, let's make today one mark sheet, the school level mark sheet, so I can explain everything in the basics. So let's start with the serial number and subjects, maybe the full marks. Yeah, pass marks. Finally make it one as a result. All right. uh, we're going to making like mark sheet, so it shows the full marks, fast marks, obtained marks, and the result. So this is just an example. You can do anything according to your need, and something you can make like your daily expenses record. You can make your like office stuff kind of things. So it's pretty much it's just an example. So we can like maximize and minimize the cell size. So just clicking over here, once you go at the column and you see the kind of arrow, so you can like increase and decrease your column size. So normally if you click all here and just double click over there, so it automatically adjusts the required size of the column according to the order you put in the cell. Okay, so just the serial 1 2 3 4, maybe put 5. And subjects, like for example we have math, English, physics, what else, computer. Yeah, right. Let's suppose the math has 100 full marks. Maybe the all of them has the 100 full marks. You can just write type if when you are trying to do. Maybe I'll also some tips and tricks and some of the function maybe later on, so you can do some things in shortcut as well. In Excel there are lots of shortcuts, there's easy formulas, and also maybe in my upcoming videos I will show some of the shortcuts in the Excel. Pass marks, let's see, the 40 will be the pass marks for all the subjects. Let's assume math, some random guy ABC got the 45. Maybe he's good at English, so maybe put a 78. Chemistry, let's put 36. Physics 58. 90 or something, yeah. All right, that's the basic input. We assume most of the things, so just if you like rearrange these things in the middle of the cell, so you just put in the middle cell, as like in our Word we do the similar adjustment and all. The features in Excel and Word pretty much similar. So if you are familiar with the Microsoft Word, you can do, you can learn a little bit or quick in the Excel as well. So that's the things. So here we'll applying one formula. So what you're going to show this column is, if this guy ABC get the marks more than the pass marks, he need to get the pass result over here, and if he got the less marks, so this column need to show the fail as a result. So let's do this one. So for this one, let's start one putting formula. For every formula we start with the equal sign first. So I'm using the if conditional formula here. So if this marks is greater than the pass marks, so obviously not greater and equal as well, greater and equal this marks, then it need to show the pass, otherwise enter. The guy is fast because he got the 45 marks for the subjects. Similarly, just put it down. Look at this one. This one is failed because he only got the 36 marks. So all, if you put the one formula, it automatically generate the results. So that's the basic how we use the formula. All right, another one. So let's do the total marks. Total. For this one, you can use the sum formula. Like put the equal first, put sum, and add like this from where to where you want to add, and just press enter. So the total marks for the full marks is 500. Similarly, you can just copy of this one, copy and paste the same formula here, and the pass marks is 200 and the obtained marks is 307. All right, that's the one. So we added, we used here one sum formula, and we use here one conditional formula, if conditional formula. So now we will going to calculate the percentage. Yeah, for the percentage, uh, just put it here, so easy. So for percentage, so it's really easy. For percentage is putting the equal sign, and the total of 10 marks will be divided by the full marks. Enter. And it's 0.614. And you can see the percentage formula over here. You don't have to like multiply by 100 and things. You can easily get the percentage sign. So that's the 61% he got. Still he fails in one subject, but he got the 61% because he got the good marks in computer and in English. So he got the like good percent. 61 is a good percent. And if you put this point, you can see like some the numeric value as well in the after the dot one, the fractional value. So that's the basic how we make one small mark sheet or something, like the basic things we are using here. So now we are going to change the little bit like the formatting and all, because it doesn't look good like the white and black here. So I don't like the black, so I'll change this one with the like white, and I'll change the cell color with the blue one. That looks better than before here. So similarly over here, I'm using this one and this one, same formatting. Yeah, that's the one. And for the percentage, I'm going to use this one and maybe the green one. Yeah, so I'll add some more row here. So I'll write it here like the mark sheet. Three, right? It's 2021, but it's 2020. I'm getting familiar. All right, and you can merge the all the columns by clicking this button. So about this functionality, I'll maybe make the next video and I'll explain in a better way. For now, I'm just focusing on the making table and like introducing some basic formulas. All right, so just do this like this one, and you can add the borderline. It's a small and easy method to make a one mark sheet. So using same technique, you can do all the things. You can like make a record of your daily expenses. You can make a record in your businesses, and you can make a record for your like employee, how many days they are working, how much you need to pay, and kind of things. So that's all for today. That's all about the making tables using basic formulas and basic entries and all. So thank you for watching. I will see you next video. Thanks guys.